2003 Crown Vic. Can't put it in first gear due to the block they have on it. I'll show you. See, second won't go down to first. So basically, gotta take this plate off right here. 7mm right there. There's a bolt right here. And over here. Alright, anything else? Probably just clips the rest of the way. And you can see the clip in there. Pop it out. Alright. Stupid metal plate has come out because there's a screw right back there holding this plastic on. So I have to take this plate off. It's just 410mm. Oh. Okay, maybe 6 10mm. Oh no, it was 5. So got everything taken off. First off, it was like a whole cover right here, then the metal plate, then I got this thing off from around the steering wheel, right. Okay, underneath the dash right here, this is the cable. This bracket, this little rusty thing with that little V up there, that is the bracket that keeps you from going into first. So it's just that star bolt right there. You pull this bracket off, and I'll be able to slap it in first so you can see it. That's second right there. Can't go to first. So again, this is straight down underneath the ignition. Just go straight down. You can see the rusty thing right there. It is a T25 star bit. Just go right here. So you get this little bolt right here. You just zip it out. And there's that little bracket. This is a bracket that keeps all your fun away. Oh yeah, I'll show you it shifting in first now. There's first gear now. Second. First gear right there. Because the bracket was holding it right there. And there's a little hole I gotta put the screw back into right there. Throw this bracket away. I just got to put everything back together. There's 4 screws for that plastic, 5 10mm bolts for this guy. Whoops. Doesn't really matter. And then there's some clips and 3 screws for that guy. There's just a clip and 2 screws for this, so I got an extra screw somewhere. Don't know. This guy thinks I talk to myself. So I took out the fun stopper in the Crown Vic. And this is a 2003. Matt and his little brother has a 2006, and it's the exact same way, so I'm assuming most of them are the exact same way. There it is. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you later.